We've got a BMF fight, title fight coming up between Max Holloway and Charles Oliveira. And this is the clash of by far the best jiu-jitsu fighter and the best boxer in the division. And if the fight remains standing, I'm definitely gonna give the edge to Max Holloway. We've seen that Oliveira is pretty much vulnerable to punches, and we've seen how he did against, for example, Ilya Topuria and many other high-level opponents. On the other side, if the fight goes to the ground, I'm not going to say that Holloway sucks. Holloway has a decent ground game, but he's predominantly a striker, a boxer, and I'll have to I'll have to believe that his boxing is going to give him edge. So I'm going to say the fight will not go the distance, but I think Holloway has what it takes to keep this fight on the feet and to win. And yes, if you're asking me who's going to win, I'm giving advantage to Holloway, but fight not going the distance, my official call.